today is very definitely sponsored by Diet Pepsi. It is Monday the 7th of March. Still feeling the need to tell you the date every time that I talk to the camera. It is now about 3:20 in the afternoon. Luke is doing school run, so I don't need to worry about that, because I was just thinking, hang on a minute, the kids, school, yes, 100% of my children are now back at school, which is fantastic news. Eleanor is better. She finally tested negative on Saturday, and so for those of you who've been watching for a while, you'll know that means that it's 2 weeks. Poor kid. Oh, she was not very well, and yeah, not good. Anyhow, girls are at school, all is well with the world. I have had an exceptionally busy day. Oh my goodness me, it's been a productive day. I have done custom work, I've done some reformatting, finished packing, birthday sale orders. I think we're now up to date to the 28th, so I'm now, so we're well and truly within shipping times. And finished printing off the subscriptions. I had my ink, one of my ink bottles ran out on Mimi on Friday. These are 1 litre ink bottles, so I'll leave it to your imagination as to how much that costs per bottle. An eye-watering amount is the answer. Anyway, the amazing guys over at CYAN Master, I ordered at 4:20 on Friday. It was here at 10:30 this morning. Amazing service, so thank you very much, guys. And yeah, so changed the ink, got printer up and running again. I'd been able to switch over with one of the other printers over the weekend so we could keep printing the subscriptions, because there's quite a lot of those this month to do. So this week is going to be subscription shipping week. It is also What's New Wednesday on Wednesday. That was profound. So today I had to buy mini eggs, and I had to, for some photographs, and that meant that I had to check the package of mini eggs for a bit of quality control, to check if there are any damaged ones that I couldn't really put in a photograph. And yeah, they got eaten. Was that really such a surprise when I started saying about it? I also have, talking about subscriptions, the postcards arrived for the subscription. I thought we'd just have a little look together. I always have the fear when I get a package of, I don't know why I'm saying package a lot instead of packet or parcel. Anyway, I always have the fear whenever something's delivered from printers that I'm going to have misspelt something really obvious, or missed an apostrophe, or I do that, but from time to time. But yeah, here we go. This is this month's subscription postcard. So it's Once Upon a Time is the theme. A spring fairy tale, I should say. So you've got your Once Upon a Time on that side, and then there's a little note from me on the back. So yeah, lots of blues, yellows and greens. I love this month's so much. Growing up, my bedroom was yellow and blue, and I remember my dad painting the wall yellow, and it was really rich goldeny yellow. And I remember him doing the first wall, coming downstairs and saying, "You do realise what colour that yellow this actually is?" And I was there going, "Yeah, it's bright. I know, it's ace." I loved it. It's kind of seasidey. I loved that bedroom. Anyway, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to start trimming some little freebie goodie bag samplers for the Southwest Planner Club meet, which is happening in April. Let me just show you how they came out. They're so sweet. I'm just going to cover up the bottom because there is actually a discount code on there for attendees, but here we go. So it's got their the Southwest Planner Club, some of their artwork, and I just added in April 2022 and a few little penguins and stickers, of course. So I'm going to get these all sliced, that sounds so wrong, trimmed, packed and ready to ship off to down to the Southwest Planner Club. I'm trying to think who it is I'm actually sending to. Is it Holly I'm sending to? I need to double check which person it is I'm actually sending it to, of who's organising. And yeah, so those have come out really well. Really pleased with that. What else has happened today? That's about it, really. Yeah. Lots of prep for What's New Wednesday, lots of order packing. It's a 2 postal bag day today. You know, it's a good day when you need to use 2 bags. And yeah, that's about it, really. So I'm going to crack on with trimming up these samplers, and I will catch up with you a little bit later on, or tomorrow, as it may be. Hopefully this week we will do better at filming than we did last week. Can't do much worse. Unless I don't film after today, in which case, oh well. So it's been quite a while since we had a kitchen update, and today, sorry for the flicking, the decorator started, and yeah, we are getting there. Look, you can't see where the door used to be anymore, and Lucy wants to come in. The bright turquoise has now gone. Oh yes, we have got flicky lights. Let's put the other lights on. It'll probably make it worse. Ba-doing. And them off. There we go, that's okay. So it's so bright. I can't believe the difference it's made already. So yeah, just really, really, really excited to see it when it's done. That wall over there is going to be like a pale blue, bluey green, to pick up on these cupboards. And I think we're going to have the inside of the window done in the same colour, which it's not at the moment. That's like the old blue colour that we had. So it's coming. But yeah, washing machine's on. Washing machine is always on. There you go, proof of washing machine. But yes, painting is happening, and that's quite exciting because it means that once that's done and everything's painted, then we will actually be finished. Oh, I can't wait. I've just finished packing the subs and we just have a few extras this month, so I will be getting those on the website very shortly.